Sarah and Tom have a party tonight with many guests. They are at the supermarket to buy everything for the party.
Tom and Sarah walked into the supermarket with a small shopping list in Sarah's hand. The store was busy, and the smell of fresh bread.
I hope we don't forget anything today.
Don't worry.
Okay, Tom. Let's get everything for the party. First, we need bread.
Sure. Do we need hot dog buns too?
Yes, we need each hot dog buns and also sandwich bread. Let's go to the bakery aisle.
Excuse me, where is the bakery aisle?
It's on your right next to the dairy section.
Here are the breads. Should we get whole wheat bread or white bread?
Let's take whole wheat. It's better. And here are the hot dog buns. Should I take 1 pack or 2 packs?
Take a 2-packs. We have many guests. Now let's get desserts.
What kind of desserts do we want?
Maybe ice cream, chocolate cake, cheesecake, and fruit cups.
Good idea. Here are the ice cream tubs. Do you want vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry?
Let's get 1 tub of vanilla and 1 chocolate. And here is the cake shelf.
Should we buy this small cheesecake or the large one?
The large one. It looks fresh.
Now we need toppings for the hot dogs.
Right. Let's get ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, and BBQ sauce.
Do we need relish too?
Yes, and maybe some pickles.
Here are the sauce bottles. I'll take 1 bottle of ketchup and 1 bottle of mustard.
And I will take onions, lettuce, tomatoes, and jalapenos.
These are spicy.
That's why we're buying them.
I knew it.
We also need vegetables for the salad.
Okay, let's get cucumbers, bell peppers, and carrots.
Don't forget parsley and mint. They make the salad taste better.
Tom picked up the parsley and smelled it.
This smells really fresh. Now drinks.
Yes, we need different bottles.
Do you want sparkling water, orange juice, and cola?
Yes, and maybe some small water bottles for guests.
Here are the 1-liter bottles and the 2-liter bottles. Which ones do you want?
Let's take on 2 2-liter colas and 6 1-liter juices.
The cart is getting full.
That means the party will be good.
Hello. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, 2 bags, please.
Okay, your total is $48.
Here is my card.
Please enter your PIN code.
Done.
Thank you. Have a great party.
Thanks. You too.